I am going to continue engineering consideration part 2. What is fault, what is failure, what is debug. So error, any mistake in specification, design, code, documentation, it is called error. It is called fault also. In fault, appearance of an error. Failure is a fault so that occurs during execution. So incident, a symptom associated with failure. Debug, finding error, so in the code at the time of execution. Then role of testing. Role of testing is black box testing and white box testing. So that testing is the process of exercising a problem with specific intent of finding error prior to the delivery to the end users. The good test case, but any testing, unit test or framework test automation, any test, not right test case. Test case is one that has a high probability of finding an error. Successful test is one that uncovered an error. After testing principle, so all the tests should traceable to the customer requirement. Test should plan too long before testing begin. And Pareto principle applies to software testing. Testing should be begin in small and progress towards testing in the large. Exhaustive testing is not possible. The most effective testing should be conducted by the independent third party. Testing technique, unit level testing, testing object-oriented software, system level testing. So unit test level testing is, you know the functionality of the program. So then only it is possible to test. Several methods can be used to test individual model or unit. So include block and white box testing. Block box techniques includes exhaustive testing, boundary value testing, and random test generation and worst case testing. White box testing techniques includes judicious testing selection, formal program proving, code inspection. So here the majorly block box testing only used in the industry level, and that block box testing is most familiar also. So the testing object-oriented software, the tested and object classes that are instantiated as object. The large gain then individual functions, so approaches to white box testing have to be extended. No previous top-to system to top-down integration and testing. The testing object-oriented software test coverage of class involves the testing all operations associated with an object, setting and interrogating all object attributes, exercising the object in all possible states. Inheritance makes it more difficult. Design object class test as the inform to tested in localized. System level testing, top-down testing, bottom-up testing. Everyone, you are familiar in that system level testing. So this both top level and bottom level, in practice most integrations involves in combinations of strategies. Here design of testing plan. So design of testing plan, it is requirement document item by item. So providing the criteria so that are used to judge whether the required item has been met. The include criteria for testing software on a module by module or unit level and on system level. The system level testing provide criteria for hardware-software integration process. The other document may be required, particularly in DoD style software development. Many software systems that integrates directly or indirectly with the human also require some of user manual to be developed and tested. Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance, the data needed by code unit n, the code unit n and code unit n plus 1. Accordingly, one way to increase the fault tolerance is to use checkbox. So here first level code unit n, it is debug informations for the code unit n. Here debug informations on the code unit n plus 1. Here data needed by code unit n plus 1. Here data needed by code units n plus 2. So it is the way to code level n plus 1 fault tolerance. Fault tolerance, another way to increase the fault tolerance using recovery blocks. Recovery block means ring counter model. So last counter n plus 1, so that is we started from code, that is data needed by the code n. So it is the recovery block. Spurious and missed interrupt. Spurious interrupt can be tolerated by using redundant interrupt hardware in conjunction with a voting scheme. The device issuing the interrupt can issue a redundant check. The DMA send the confirmed flag. The extra stack space should be allocated to allow least one spurious interrupt per cycle to avoid the stack overflow. Missing interrupt can be dealt with using watchdog timers. The surest method for sustaining integrity in the face of the missing interrupts is through the design of robust algorithm. So another one is system integration. System integration always system uniform, system verification, integration tools, some integration strategy, batching and proof effort. So here system integration, uncertain schedule, it is typically causes of project cost overruns. The set failure or success at the phase, the specification, design, implementation, testing practice used throughout the software project lifecycle. By this time, it may be very difficult to fix the problem. The most modern programming practice where diverse ensure arrive at stage with the fewest error in the source code. System uniform. System uniform together the individual component is strictly business, especially for real-time systems. System verification means the final system testing of embedded system often take day or week. This during testing validation, a careful test log must be kept indicating the test case number, the result and disposition. So if the system test failure, all affected test can be rerun as per after repair. Through the module level test cases and previous system level test cases have been passed, they should be rerun to ensure that no slide effect have been introduced during error repair. Here system integration, multimeter, oscilloscope, and then logic analyzers, in circuit emulator, software simulator, hardware prototype. You can integrate system to uh, connect with multimeter and oscilloscope and logic analyzers to perform certain tasks. Simple integrations, it have one flow chart. So add code unit in small batch to baseline system. So add code, test the error. If it is error is true, then the control is passed on to next, or otherwise go to batch and return again, going to test, retest. Here batching placed in line and oversize batches. Here opcode is there in batching. Here load R1 comma 1, add R1 R2, store R1 at X1. So here the line left and oversize right batches. Jump again, keep on, go to jump. The control is passed on to keep on in one statement. The proof effect. Here uncertainty arises because the more closely a system is examined and more likely to the examining process will affect the system, especially true for embedded system. Should take as warning that testing method often affect the system so that they test. Non-insertive test should be considered, example using logical analysis. Here last, refactoring real-time code. Refactoring real-time code, traditional bad smells found in the OO, object-oriented code. Bad smells is any indicator of a bad software quality. So refactoring is behavior preserving code transformations that removes the bad smell and hence hopeful improve the quality. So here refactoring the real-time code, here lot of smells are there. Based on the smells, descriptions also is there, and succession. So how to avoid this smell? Here remove speculation. What is the smell? Here self-modifying code, reusing the code by verification, remove. And this all small conditional logic, switching and case statement that build duplications, short circuit logic optimization. Here temporary field, the instance variables that are only set sometime you expect an object to use all its variables. Use union remove. Message chain. This client is too coupled to the structure of the invocation. Get A, get B, get C, get D, get D, dot, do it. So here short circuit calling sequence. Another, it is Kokomo